Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to make the red rose and red lips of this model stand out in a photo. So within Photoshop, you're going to make sure you have two major windows open. Go to the window and make sure that Layers and Tools is showing. So I'll go ahead and get started. So in the Tools window on the left, you're going to go ahead and choose the Quick Selection tool. If you click down on a lot of these tools, you will see hidden tools. Right now, we just need the Quick Selection tool. So I'm going to go ahead and select that rose, and I'm going to hold the Shift key to get her lips. With those two selected, I'm going to choose Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. I'm going to go to the Layers window and select Layer 1 in this case, and I'm going to choose Image, Adjust, and then Desaturate. Her teeth were also selected in the red lips, so I'm going to go ahead and choose the Zoom tool. Make sure the plus sign is selected, so I zoom in. And it's not that big of a deal, but I'm going to go to the eraser tool, and as you can see, that eraser is way too big to get those teeth. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it as low as possible. With the eraser tool selected and making it as low as possible, I'm going to go to layer 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up inside of the teeth. I will choose View Actual Pixels so you can see the final product. I'm now going to choose File, Save As. I'm going to set the format to a JPEG so that I can share it with others. And I will call this Red Lips 2 and then OK. This concludes the session on how to make aspects of an image pop out. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.